Okay guys, we got this 2006 Toyota Tacoma and the customer complaint is the battery light comes on. So we're going to use the new launch update. I tried screen recording, but it keeps getting corrupt. So we're going to go into this intelligent diagnostic feature and it'll read the VIN, it'll decode the VIN, and it also decodes license plates now. And it seems to be a lot quicker, like as in responsiveness. So we come to this screen. We'll press diagnostic. (16-pin). It's less than 2008. I wish they'd change this to like an arrow. Do a health report. Everybody's calling me at the same time. Okay, so we have a crankshaft position circuit and our intermittent circuit code. Got some 2 airbag things and a TPMS. So I wonder if it's this check engine light that's coming on or something. So I'm gonna hook the Pico up. We'll do a battery test. Oh, we can do a report here. Press OK. Reports look pretty nice. So here's the report. Oh, I guess I need to change my logo. I think you can change your logo. I had it changed before. So we'll save this. And set the Pico up and we'll test this battery real quick and charging system. I test them all anyway, so it's not like I'm doing anything extra. Okay guys, so I got the Pico set up. And we're going to do the battery test. So we got it all up here. I'm going to start this test. Got our amp clamp around the battery positive. Both our leads on. I think I set it to a 10-second test. So we'll start this up. Make sure it's in neutral. We don't want any unwanted holes in the shop. Oh, and the battery light is on now. So let's see what our Pico shows. And we are not charging. So it is not charging. So that is good. So we'll test our... I'm going to disconnect real quick and we'll hook up to our alternator and we'll test out our alternator. Okay guys, so I got the PicoScope set up. Got our blue trace at the battery. Our green trace is coming over here. It's kind of hard to see. Let me grab a light for you guys. So there you go. I'm just probing the connector. So we got our red trace on our 7.5 amp alternator S fuse. Our green trace is on the switch ignition fuse, which you can see our voltage is down right now. And then D goes to our ECM. So I'm going to start this back up. And okay, so we got that started up. We'll come up here, we'll look at our signal. And you can see, because I just paused it, that our alternator command had went on. And that we still weren't charging. So the ECM is commanding it on. So I'm going to save all this. We got a new alternator here. We'll put our new alternator in and then we'll repeat our test. So guys, got the old alternator off. There's like a rock that's like with tar on it that's melted fast to the alternator right there. But everything looks the same. Doesn't look like it got all discolored or anything inside. So I didn't see anything that looked obviously wrong with it. But we got this new one right here. It's triple tested. So it has to work because they triple tested it. But I did notice there's like this white stuff in here. In this connector right here. I don't know if they had put something in there when they put the connectors on or not, but we'll get this new one on and then we'll test it. See what happens. Okay guys, so we got a new belt on here. The alternator's on. We're going to start this up and test it. We got the pico set up and should be good to go. Let's start this up. There we go. Let's see what we were charging at. There we go. Let's make this a little wider. Oh, my amp clamped upside down. There we go. So right now we're charging at what? 19 amps. That's pretty good. So we'll turn our loads on. Make sure that we can put this on. We'll put our heater on. Put our radio on. Oops. Oh, never mind. Can't turn that down. So I think that's it. I think that's all we can turn on. So right now we're at what? We're at 50 amps. Yeah, we're at 50 amps. That's as high as we can go right now. I think we're good to go, guys. I'll move this out, get a nice long capture. Under load. And then we'll turn the loads off. There we go. There you go. You can actually see me turning stuff off. Let's zoom in on this and look at it. So there we go. So I hope you guys like this. See you later.